I must see that's why I like you and I pick up for you so when the girl then come for you.
Tongues. I hear my cousin about Tikki with family.
Yeah, my last name is Rosa. Hi, my nice clean cousin. While look at So Rochelle.
So Tikki, you come out do no for real. Like, what you come from? In a belly skin, Tikki?
I know quote me, I come from me go check in. I supposed to check in with ICE the 20th of March 2025. So me go check in, me tell him some my work permit and my and what is? Hi sir, why you do that? The man scream.
The man screaming, huh?
The man say, ah! I think of somebody that take foot behind on me. Rochelle, so me go check in. Guys, me gonna something. So me go check
We
in
are
now.
begging something in a chat, because no, we can't feel like you're so with Tikki. We not
So me
go
go
laugh.
check in now.
Anybody share it live, me a black uno. Because you see, as Tikki come over here, so we no start with the antics. But depending to do, you know.
Why my belly big but it nice, it's fabulous. Rochelle. So me go check. So this man, you know, me say to them, say, my work permit and my social has been filed, and I need to get a job because I do not have any income of money, and I can't live like this. I do not have food to eat.
No money.
I do not have any source of survival, and I need to get to work. And receive my work permit and my social, but no one employing me with this thing on my foot.
I'll figure it out, you know.
I said, probably they think I'm a wrongdoer, I'm a crime, I commit crime into the country, I've done something wrong. The woman said, all right, I'm gonna check and come back. The woman go come back and say, Miss Russell, all right, we have looked up, there hasn't been any problem.
Miss Rufflina?
You have behaved yourself. Kay, thank you, you have behaving yourself, and he started telling me all of the things them, and he said to me, say, go across the road over there. And he said, all right, go across the road over there. And I said, okay, I'm going to go over there. I'm going to go over there. Then tell me what to do. And then tell me the necessary chat short. And I just
chat.
And then cut off your family foot. Girl, no.
I am very happy for you.
No blood clot. When you could chat to me, I see my work permit and my social now. My boss was like a kite. Early next month now, I go to school with me HHA, Home Health Aid. By me, I second and a decent little job. By blood cleat, September, October, I start going to school for LPN.
Lovely.
After 1 year time now, I start go study for RN. You know, could chat to me, you know, could chat to me. Alright.
Congratulations, Tikki.
When I say gada,
once you know where you want a foreign, you can go for it.
no, they can't chat to me. I see bitches are in competition with me where just come here, Russian me fabulous. Done to the wax out of me as a hot girl. No for them the crumbs they couldn't look for, not even me vomit. Not even me belch. They could even touch. When me say not even me boo boo, they could even smell. Look how me nice.
Tikki. Oh, Boki, anger that Tikisha. Yeah, well, Tikki not foreign, you're crazy. Oh,
Never know I saw you sweet. I saw you sweet. I would have tasted you long time ago. Hey, me love God, you know.
Tikki advice.
Eh?
You know your Tikki advice.
I miss
Tikki, you can't sing.
Yeah, me can't sing good.
Cute.
Man say Miss Russell. Miss Russell. I will ask the man say, can you show me the bathroom, please? He said, there's the female bathroom. I said, the Russell, me just feel wobble. Something touch me from my feet, come straight. Me say, me want to power high tension current wire me touch. Never know, so then they glorify me in America as Miss. Mr. Sir, can you please show me the bathroom, the restroom, please? I want to urine. He said, there's the female bathroom. We just go in the cute talk, girly, I mix so. I take time, I pull me something, I sit and I pee and urine and use my little tissue, I wipe up my little vagina, flush it, and then wash my little hand, I come out, me not ask you. America, America, here I come.
You're done there, friend.
Let me say, Russian, you know about that people going there? And one girl come out a course, so a Spanish girl, I say how much how long you have and see him uncle man it now. 10 months.
No chat, snipe. Everybody over here.
Wrap up and him get out edition. Snipe chat, snipe. Chat, snipe. Snipe chat, one money gun chat.
Snipe.
So Rochelle, me call one of my friend of me and him get let out of detention in December, me get let out in January. He empty me now. Rochelle. She said to me, say, you know, say, now go come off door. Because me have on film before you. I know a girl have on film 6 months now and you know come off. Me start getting nervous now, Russian.
So wait then, so when you like country bad and something, they would end up put on something on the foot.
In this time, you know. Remember my stepfather in a post.
So then he put on something on your foot?
Yeah, well, ankle monitor.
Oh, so everybody get that well like country bad and something?
In this time, you know, not everybody get it, but in this time, you know. Rochelle, me can't lift up my foot on a heavy bird now, hold me down. Me can't jump.
Yeah, friend, Jesus is good. Yeah, lovely. That's a freedom right there. Y'all have to be happy for him. That's a big freedom.
Why not, Mr. Guys?
Freedom we have to be happy for people.
Let me say, Rochelle.
That's a big freedom.
Mr. Rochelle. Well, you are a girl. Me say me call her friend. She say, you know, say now go come off though, cause me avant me come
freedom
up
that.
You. Every time me go fi take off, then do take off, and me come up before you. So me I say, all right, then probably then I go take off if you shoot me.
Yeah, me see if you're not gonna send me something, you disrespect anybody over here. It black where you pick up, man. See my moderator black here already. You see my name that is a 40.
Yeah. Nobody can call style me about you for you. Remember when the girl come out for you, go text it, me alone could make me.
You can't style Tikki, you're mad.
You're mad?
Not over here, so sorry.
Rochelle.
I'm not sorry.
So Rochelle.
Didn't never get something that me
a talk about. Something. So Rochelle.
Something me a beg. Yeah. You didn't squeeze your foot, I know.
So Rochelle, she said, they said to me, say, my friend said to me, say, you know, so me come out before you, and then you take off me go till me week for them take off me, and then you take off me 13 person, 13 rows. Me say, really? He said, yes.
13 rows.
13 rows, shot. Give me the funny double atomy shot.
Yeah, take my feet.
Me say, really? Roses shot, roses. Me say, really? Me start shooting Rochelle in no time. Rochelle, I saw a woman work with USCIS, you know. Come on my phone, go tell me can't get no work permit, and me just come. You're mad. Me have to
rebuke him.
He say you're mad, you can't get it, that will be impossible. You have to do 150 days in the country first. And today make 5 weeks, me come to the Friday. Tomorrow Friday, make 5 weeks. And me get pass work permit. Me get my work permit social. And the man say, and what is on your phone?
Like 2 more rows on chat. Chat, 2 more rows, 2 more rows.
I want to moderate them there.
Guys, 2 more rows on chat, please.
Start a triple this guys. Somebody can beg your puss. I told me she can beg your puss, me auntie.
Didn't me send you that much time. You know, I feel like you take me for fool now. But it's alright. Guys, may I beg me turn down that now?
Start triple.
Guys, triple. Yes, as some feel.
Somebody say you don't get work permit in 5 weeks.
Guys, triple.
Allah, tell I know what you see how God say.
Mama, then. Share then.
Don't worry yourself. Guys, triple chat.
Guys, triple chat. Triple.
Yeah, triple chat. Me can't get a wheel.
Yeah, let me see my mother.
Chat, triple
guys,
chat.
Triple chat.
Thank you, Atomisha. Chat, triple, me can't get a wheel of money gun chat. Thank you, Jamgana. Chat, triple, me can't get. Guys, somebody can't get ya. You then now go take off, you know? Worse than this time, you know. How much time I go for them take off me, I didn't take off me. Me is like, wow. Then I go take off me, then the woman call me. In that 2 minutes, the woman say, Miss Russell, and he said, sign here. And he said, it can be removed.
You have been
behaving yourself. You do not get in any trouble. You do not get in any problem. You have been behaving yourself. And he started telling me all of them something. So we see where it can be, where it is possible for it to remove. What a lucky thing, me never had a fight or reach in a trouble. What a lucky thing. And Miss Russell, then look at my paper and call me Miss Russell.
Ambitious for true, him know what he want. Enough people come and friend and don't know what they want. Waste time.
Me not talk. See me work permit on my social, yeah. You can't trust.
Show them, you know?
No, me black out my social number.
Oh.
Remember me no mask up about
last name is Miss Russell. Moderator, may I beg you, see, please just look on the score. And look how much are we over here.
My social number.
You know, make no sense. We do this. Please, but just a big accomplishment that my friend Jumpy Bada from all long, and me I tell her say what year then take off his suck my fine foot. So that's a blessing.
Something supposed to come to me tomorrow. Today was shipped to me. You got yesterday, and it's to come to me today. Me not have to pay them no mind. I post something at the blood clot them get mad now. Me go be lot clock out the place now. They get me mad, you know.
But turn
Mama.
up your place, man. You not have to turn up your place.
Me
Me
say,
tell mommy I say hi, Vida. You know you love bully people. Me just tell mommy I say Vida and say hi.
I just the funny we
You
start
never
to
hear
deliver
nothing when
to.
me say
You
yes.
say me I just
You
never the funny we
always
start to
name my
deliver to you.
words.
See, come chat to us if me I just never the funny we start to deliver to me.
Come
Show
on,
the
chat.
work
Let's
permit.
go.
We could stop the Simone big up your nice skin said and today so me can't get work permit in a 5 week. I lie I tell. Remember me the president granddaughter. Stop it.
Moderator,
Murder.
take out Ruby, please.
Remember the president said there should be only two gender, male and female, and he accept me as a Gmail. Remember when he called me and said, granddaughter, what's your gender? Me say, sir, pending. What you mean by? Me say, Mr. 45th and 47th president, my gender is pending.
Oh, what's up, guys? You have to win that game because I last one where I play with the boss.
What you mean
Yeah,
by?
Gmail. You don't know what? And one thing me can get Tikki. Me say
Exactly.
Tikki
So
have
what
the
else
word.
me at?
Me
The
not know
page just
how
need
Tikki
to
full
talk.
of
So
so
what me
much
talk fire
word.
when if you talk? Yes, when them a laugh after me, and them a bring me down, and them a celebrate after me, them a celebrate after me loudly. Them a
Me say
celebrate after
Tikki
me in a
full of
shower.
words more
Them a
than me.
celebrate after me publicly. Them a rejoice over me laughing. Them a rejoice over me happily. So you see when God a bless me, God a bless me happily. God see they put me down and say, sit, boo boo, sit. Me a go prepare a table before you
You
in the
sick,
presence of
boo
your enemy. So you see like how now me a rejoice, me a go rejoice publicly. Me a go rejoice loudly. Me a go rejoice happily. And me a go rejoice
Yeah, big up that
laughingly. Me a go
darling.
rejoice goodly. Me a go rejoice like me a go. Me say when me start rejoice, you see, me a start
Guys,
rejoice like
13
I don't
rows. Last
boast, you
game.
know.
Come on,
I don't boast, me boast, you hype me without clout hype. Me a make you know something. I don't boast, me boast, you know chat.
Guys, 13
I don't
rows,
know,
chat.
I don't hype me hype, I boast, me boast. Guys, when the men a laugh
Guys,
after me,
13
roses
rows.
chat,
Stop boy, you got
roses.
there because I
5 more
got
rows.
this.
5 more
Guys,
rows.
roses, chat.
5 more
Roses,
rows, chat.
roses,
5 more
roses,
rows.
roses.
5 more rows.
Chat, get it sweet.
You know if you give me something for me sing. One way let me sing any song one want. No
Oh.
matter best you want.
Mr. Vida gone. Sashi want.
Come chat me, I beg you some part that you play. One push and me sing. I love
Come
you,
on, chat. Use the triple. And I
Lord.
beg
For your
anybody
mercy
up
never
there can help
fails
me with the
me.
triple, please.
In all my days,
Make we use the triple,
I've
chat,
been held in
please.
your hands. From the moment
16
I
rows, we
wake
can't get it because we
up.
have way more
16
than
versus
16 people
16
over here.
was.
So this is
Till I
nothing. We
lay
can't
my
keep it like that.
head. Oh,
16 now.
I
We
will
pretty girl. Thank you.
sing of
Fell,
the
fell. Thank you.
goodness of God. Rosie's chat. Rosie's
Come
get
on,
a
chat.
mother gather.
Roses. Charlie.
That is it. Chat,
Teresa,
somebody
come
can be
on,
your
chat.
puss. Somebody can be your puss chat. Let me angle one song right here.
Come
See.
on, guys. Come on. All right, Vidan, that is it.
Chat,
Sweet can beg you one rose.
chat triple chat. Chat
Thank you. Come.
triple.
Use the
The
rose
best is
chat
yet to
triple.
come.
Come on, a rose. 6 more.
Chat, give me
That is it.
some.
Everybody, come on, chat. Roses, roses,
Chat
roses.
triple chat.